Welcome to Working with Wyatt. Today we're talking propane. Propane is something that we put in our house to heat it. So we're gonna use that and with this. First things first, you need ear protection. Now it's drilling time. We have our air conditioner compressor outside and we need to add some electricity to it. So this is our electricity box that we're gonna need to put out here. And that means more hammer drilling. Here's the box. We screwed it in, and these are the fuses. This is caulking. We use it so no moisture gets behind. Now we're ready to have electricity in the air conditioner. Nailed it. Now we got the air conditioner electricity. But what happens in the winter? You gotta get some heat up in here. Remember when I drilled that hole? Now we got the pipe in and the gauge on. Let's go see what it looks like on the inside. This is the propane line. We passed inspection. So now we're ready to hook it up and be warm. Nailed it!